Hello, beautiful souls. I am Yogi Viktor Faisca, and I am thrilled to welcome you to the first step of your yoga journey. Whether you are looking to improve your flexibility, find inner peace, or simply explore something new, yoga has something amazing to offer. Today, we'll be focusing on the basics to get you started in the right path.
Let's begin with mountain pose or Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet together, rounding down through your feet. Engage your thighs, lengthen your spine, and relax your shoulders. Feel your body align and breathe deeply. Next, we'll move into Downward Dog or Adho Mukha Savasana. Start on your hands and knees, tuck your toes, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Remember, it's okay if your heels don't touch the ground. The focus is on creating a long line from your hands to your hips. Now, let's try Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2. Step one foot back and bend your front knee, keeping your hips facing forward. Extend your arms out to the sides. Gaze over your front hand and feel the strength and stability in your body. Finally, let's find a comfortable seated position for some breath work. Close your eyes, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale slowly. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension.
Amazing job, everyone. And remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. I'm so glad you've joined me today. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a class with me. Namaste.